Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video is about unboxing of Echo Dot 3rd generation. So let's get started. The packaging is very good and comes in a blue color box. On the box there is a branding of Amazon Echo Dot and few tasks mentioned as example to tell us what it can do. Opening the box we can see Echo Dot in black color and I love the black color on this. This Echo Dot feels heavier than its earlier version and feels premium with the fabric material around the speaker. Keeping the speaker aside, we can see the manual of Echo Dot which tells you how to connect and how to install or set up this device using Amazon Echo from your smartphone. After this, we can see warranty papers and few things to try using this Amazon Echo Dot. Then we can see the dedicated charger which is of 15 watts power supply. The quality of the charger and the cable is really good. After removing the seal on the Echo Dot, it looks stunning. This Echo Dot is lot better in the hardware department than earlier Echo Dot. This device has 4 microphones on top, volume buttons, a button to mute microphone and action button. Side we have a speaker in a circular form and covered by a black matte fabric. Side we have 2 ports which are power source port and 3.5mm jack. Using this audio jack you can connect Echo Dot to other speakers. Enough about the device, let's check audio quality and what it can do. When is India playing cricket match?
India will play tomorrow at 2 p.m. in Guwahati against West Indies.
What's your name?
My name is Alexa. Naam to suna hoga.
What do you call Alexa in Hindi?
What do you call Alexa in Hindi is Kya tum Alexa call?
Can you book me a ride?
Would you like Ola?
No, Uber.
Would you like to give Uber a try?
Yes.
This skill requires you to link your Uber account and your permission to use your location. To enable it, please go to the skills section of the Alexa app and search for Uber.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What came first, the chicken or the egg? Neither. Everyone knows Rajnikant came first.
This speaker sounds a lot better from the earlier version. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do smash the like button and subscribe to the channel because much more content coming up. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.